Morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Thursday morning, and today I felt inspired after I've done my morning chores is to sit outside in the middle of a beautiful forest and create poetry. So I wanted to come up with a prompt for today, and it is going to be very simple. It's inspiration, how nature inspires you. I'm going to title the poem Nature Bond. If you're listening to this, just take a few minutes just to sit outside in nature, listen to the birds like I'm doing now, look at trees if you have trees around, or cactuses or sand, whatever you have, grass, flowers. I'm seeing a beautiful rose from here, calla lilies, beautiful evergreens, and fruit trees. Right in front of me, there are two little sunflowers that I planted that are just growing right now. And they're in a little beautiful white little pot that I received as a gift for Mother's Day. I'm just listening to nature, and I haven't written poetry for a little bit, but this morning it's just been kept going in my mind that I want to write a poem. And so I titled that Nature Bond. Sitting and listening. The birds are singing. The trees share their welcoming gifts. The sun sparkles. On the leaves, on the fern leaves, the sun sparkles on the ferns leaves. Breathing in the fresh air. The joy of calmness. Visits my inner soul. So what we have so far is how nature inspires you, Nature Bond. Sitting and listening, the birds are singing, the trees share their welcoming gifts, the sun sparkles on the ferns' leaves, breathing in the fresh air, the joy of calmness visits my inner soul. The gentle sway of the plants. Shows a beautiful dance. Closing my eyes. I am lost in the foreverness. Of nature's gifts. Taking a breath. I enjoy the gifts. Of being here in this moment to witness nature's love. Let's see what we have all together. Nature's bond. Sitting and listening. The birds are singing. The trees share their welcoming gifts. The sun sparkles on the ferns' leaves. Breathing in the fresh air, the joy of calmness visits my inner soul. The gentle sway of the plants shows a beautiful dance. Closing my eyes, I'm lost in the foreverness of nature's gifts. Taking a breath, I enjoy the gifts of being here in this moment to witness nature's love. I might work on it a little bit more, but that's what comes to me right now in this moment. Sitting here and listening to the birds and admiring the beautiful trees that surround me. And it is a very nice, gentle morning. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It feels just right. And it's nice to just spend a few moments just to be out here, not to be rushed. Drinking my morning water, a smoothie, with a paper and a pen. And just be together with nature. Together with myself. I hope nature brings you poetic inspiration. Usually, in the morning I would do a little mindfulness walk, which I already kind of did. I did a little gardening walk around. But today I felt like instead of walking and talking, I'm going to sit and write and share a different type of experience. An inspiration to write, just because it's a beautiful morning, and just because inspiration came at this particular time, at this particular moment. Thank you for being here with me and joining this moment. Until I see you next time, may your day be beautiful, beautiful as always. I appreciate you. Have a lovely day.